In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a sticky header in the Shopify Dawn theme. A sticky header is the top section of your store, usually with your logo and navigation menu, that stays visible at the top of the page while your visitors scroll. This can make it easier for customers to move around your store, access their cart, or return to your home page at any time without having to scroll back up. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Shopify store's admin area and log into your Shopify dashboard. This is the main control panel where you manage products, orders, themes, and all your store settings. Make sure you're on the correct store if you manage more than one. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, find and click on Online Store. This will open a menu where you can see your current theme and theme library. The sticky header feature we're enabling is part of the Dawn theme's customization options. In the Themes section, look for your active theme, which should be Dawn, and click on the Customize or Edit Theme button. This opens the Theme Editor, where you can visually adjust how your store looks without touching any code. Once the Theme Editor loads, you'll see a preview of your online store on the right and a set of sections and settings on the left. In the preview, click directly on the header area at the top of your store. This is typically where your logo, navigation menu, and possibly your cart icon or search bar appear. Clicking on the header will open its settings in the left-hand panel. In the header settings on the left, scroll or look through the options until you find the one labeled Sticky Header. This setting controls when and how the header stays visible while scrolling. Click on the drop-down field next to it to see the available choices. You'll usually see options like Off, Always, or Always with reduced logo size. To enable the sticky header, select either Always or Always with reduced logo size. The reduced logo size option is useful if you want the header to take up less vertical space when people are scrolling, helping keep more of your content visible on the screen. After selecting your preferred sticky header option, look towards the top right corner of the theme editor and click Save. This step is crucial. If you don't save, your changes will not be applied to the live store. Once it's saved, you can preview your storefront, scroll down the page, and you should see your header staying fixed